Good everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will create a program that will ask the user to give distance in meter, and then our program will simply convert the given meter into feet equivalent using C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. We have here two library file in C. Sharp includes tdio.h, standard input header file, and Sharp includes cdlib.header. Int main, it is the starting point and ending point of every C program. We have here left curly bracket, and then I declare two variables, m and f, which I initialize with 0. Take note that the data type is float. In mathematics, it is real. No, there is a decimal places. Printf new to new line the title meter to fit in C. Printf enter meter value, scanf in m for the conversion to fit. 1 meter is equivalent to 3.28083338399. We simply multiply. New line here, printf the given 5% 5.2 to decimal places to the right, 5 decimal places to the left, meters is equals to percent 5.2 f in feet, comma m and f. We have here printf, print formatting, new line 2, and a program which informs the user that the program has been ended, and system pause. The system pause commands belongs to this library file, stdlib or standard header .h in C. We have here the right curly bracket. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us go to dev C++ to run our program. Execute, run, enter meter to fit in C, enter meter value, let's say 5.6 meters. 5.6 meters is equals to 18.37 feet or feet, and a program. Another example, let's say we have 8.4 or the given 8.4 meters is equals to 27.56 feet, and a program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on feetometer in C programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two website. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.